In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Shopify. Having Google Analytics integrated into your Shopify store is critical for gaining insights into your store's performance, understanding customer behavior, and making data-driven decisions. Let's walk through the process step by step to get this set up seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify App Store. This is your go-to destination for all the apps you might need to enhance your Shopify store, including Google Analytics. Simply open your browser and navigate to the Shopify App Store website. Once you're there, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can find all the apps you need. Now, in the search bar, type in Google and YouTube. This search will lead you to the app you need for integrating Google Analytics with your Shopify store. As you type, you may notice some suggestions pop up, but make sure you select the one that specifically mentions Google and YouTube. This app will help you connect your Shopify store with Google's suite of tools, including Google Analytics. Once you've located the Google and YouTube app in the search results, click on it. This will take you to the app's detail page. Here, you'll find more information about the app, including its features, reviews, and pricing details. It's always a good idea to take a moment to go through this information so you know what to expect. The next step is to click on the Install button. You'll find this button prominently displayed on the app page. Clicking Install will start the process of adding this app to your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're logged into your Shopify account to proceed with the installation without any hitches. Once the app is installed, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Google account. This will typically involve signing into your Google account and granting the necessary permissions to allow Shopify and Google to communicate. Ensure you're using the Google account that is linked to your analytics so the integration is seamless. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added Google Analytics to your Shopify store. This integration will equip you with valuable insights into how visitors are interacting with your store, which can help you tailor your marketing efforts and improve your sales strategy. Remember, data is powerful, and having Google Analytics at your fingertips will enable you to make informed decisions that drive your business forward. Thanks for watching and happy selling!